say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I was just about to start exercising for the day. I actually just finished filming another video for this channel. This is like the only time I've filmed like several videos in a day in like years. I don't know, I'm excited to be here today. Hey, I was about to start exercising for the day, but I just got a super special delivery from Sonny Angel. Do you guys remember? When was the last time we unboxed Sonny Angels on this channel? I do not remember. We used to do Sonny Angel and then their other collection, which was called Sorry Angels. Those are super, super cute too, but I think that they've only done 4 or 5 series of those, and then unfortunately, they never did them again. But I actually knew I was gonna get a package in the mail from Sonny Angel. They reached out to me, but I didn't know. Like, I thought that they were just gonna send this one item, which like, oh my gosh, that's why I just had to open and unbox this immediately, because if you guys have watched any of my previous Sonny Angel unboxings, you know that there is always one character, one thing in all the Sonny Angel collections that I've always been on the lookout for, and that is the super rare mystery. It's always like the secret figure, which is actually Sonny Angel's best friend, and I don't know what it's meant to be. I don't know if it's meant to be a rabbit or a kangaroo. It looks like an ambiguous kind of animal. I can't believe his name is Robbie Angel, and we finally have one in front of us today. This thing is honestly so rare. I don't think they even specify how rare the secret figure is. I have a Sonny Angel figurine in front of me as well, so I can see. They just always show you like there's a secret version of Sonny Angel himself, and then there's always a secret version of his best friend Robbie, but they just have one question mark underneath it. It's not like Kid Robot or anything where they put like question mark out of question mark, so you know that the answer is probably like, I don't know, 99 or something, some double digit number. You literally have no idea. And you guys, I have never seen a Robbie in real life. Never. Not at any of the vinyl stores like Toy Joy or Monkey See Monkey Do in Austin, where I go and like buy the figurines in real life. Never seen one, never got one, and I feel like I've been unboxing them for years. So anyway, I will go ahead and show you guys this super special item first. This is the item I just could not wait to get my hands on today, and it's actually a book. I had no idea that Sonny Angel, this whole series and the figurine, is 15 years old this year. So that is pretty exciting. It's this little wrapped up set, and I'm sure I'm probably not meant to be opening it. That's probably going to destroy whatever like actual value that this thing would have for collectors and stuff, but I am so excited. So it's a book and figurine set, and I don't know about you guys, like if you're into collecting stuff, I love little books like this. There's been a couple of squishy brands that have done like little collector's books as well, where you get to open it up and see all of the different designs, and yeah, this one is like that too. There's actually little boxes, so you could go through and check if you're like a mega collector of each of these things. You could go through and use this book as more or less like a collection catalog. Oh my gosh, did I open it up on a Halloween? Ah! Oh my gosh, look at all of the little Halloween Robbie figures. I'm trying to see if they have, yeah, so they have the dates. I guarantee you we opened this on my main channel. The Halloween series from 2015. Do you guys remember seeing these? Oh my gosh, look at the vampire one. He must have been a super special edition. So I think sometimes, yeah, see, like I remember this one was kind of crazy as well, because we would only see like 4 or 5 different character designs on the box, and there's only meant to be like one secret, but we would get these like super special like color variants. So this is really cute, and I'm gonna have so much fun later. Oh my gosh, this actually shows you the figures we got today, but I'm gonna have so much fun later going through and just looking. I mean, it's a pretty like sizable book, so I'm gonna have lots of fun flipping through this later. And then this is the actual, I don't know what 979. I wonder if that means there's been 979 Sonny Angel figurines over the last 15 years. Here we are. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're gonna have a Robbie in our hands. Yeah, so this is definitely not meant to be opened. Because it's like a fancy display that's all taped shut, but you guys know me. I would rather just honestly like set these cute figures on the shelf than to keep them all perfectly wrapped up forever. So here is, oh my gosh, Robbie is so tiny and so cute. So it says 15th anniversary on the back here. I'm trying to see what it says on the front. Don't you guys feel like it says you're always my best, but don't you guys feel like these have almost a very like a Valentine's Day look to them? And oh my gosh, here is the Robbie. I almost said in the flesh. That would be kind of weird. He's plastic, but he is so cute. And then of course he has the little wings as well. And this says, stay together forever and ever. That is so cute. This really does have Valentine's Day vibes. What do you guys think this animal is? Look, he just has a little bump on the butt. It's not a tail of any kind. I don't know. Is it a kangaroo? Is it a bunny? Let me replace the Camry battery. The Camry battery is done. Does Toyota still make Camrys? That's the car I learned to drive in. But everything is flashing and blinking here. Fix the cameras and then we'll be back because we do have some other fun little things to look at and unbox. And I'm excited. So now the next thing on my collection wish list, you know what? And I don't even know if these are for sale, but I have always so much loved the like larger Sonny Angel. Maybe that's just something that they give to stores as a display, but I've seen like some larger Sonny Angel figurines too. I should find out if those are for sale or not. So the next thing that they sent over, we'll just take a look at really quickly. I'm sure you guys have seen these things, and now there's like a million knockoffs of them as well. But Dreams is the parent company of Sonny Angel. This is not sponsored, by the way. They just sent over these goodies. And like I said, I've been in the mood to just make videos, vlog, hang out. So I thought I would just show you guys all the cute stuff that they sent over. But Dreams is the original company to invent these little cable bite things. These are the little things that you put on your phone chargers, and they actually sent one I have never seen before today that is for your computer cable. So it fits a little bit of a thicker cable, but look at how cute. I've never seen this one before in real life. He is I always say this dog breed wrong, but a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. I always say that wrong, but he has a little handkerchief on. That is so cute. I'm gonna give that one to Dog Man. And then this one, I am so glad they sent over a frog, because you guys know I love frogs and alligators, of course. I don't think they have an alligator one, but he is so, so cute. So it's a little frog. I'm definitely gonna put him on my iPhone cable today. And then this is the new one. Like I said, I've never seen before. It's slightly bigger. And so this is for a smartphone or a Note PC, but they actually show it. I do think that that is a picture of a MacBook. So Note PC. I don't know what Note PC is, but it's a little panda. And that is so cute. The only other one I've seen besides the phone ones up until now is they make one that will actually bite onto, I don't know what like the little box is. You guys know like for an iPhone charger, what you actually plug into the wall is like a box shape. I have seen the bigger ones like that, but never one that's like specifically meant for thicker cables. So you guys can see it is just a little bit bigger. Up next, we have 3 blind boxes that they sent over, and I'm gonna start out with this one because I have never seen this before and it looks so freaking cute. It's called Lena's Favorite Mini Pig Fancy Pets. So I guess this is Lena. I have no idea who Lena is, but it's a pig, and I'm even trying to see all of the different options. I guess this is it. I can't see how many different types that is, like 6. Oh, 6 kinds, maybe if I could read. So there's 6 different super fancy pigs. Let's open it up and see what fancy pig. So it says may contain secret. So I guess maybe that means there's technically 7 different kinds available. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is like sealed shut. It's like glued. I don't think I've ever had to like rip a box like that. I feel like it's like if you're making cinnamon rolls or something and you gotta slowly, which does that kind of packaging just actually scare anyone but me, where you like slowly rip the paper and then it like just pops? This is what the wrapper looks like. It says fancy pets. So I wonder if there are other different animals besides pigs that you could get, but cute yellow wrapping, and it looks like, oh my gosh, that actually looks like, oh, it's a hoof. I'm so silly. I was like, that looks like a computer mouse, but I think it's a hoof and little, almost like something in between diamonds and squares. Oh my gosh, this is actually like a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh, I think it has a little flower in its mouth. I'm trying to unwrap it very cautiously here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna cut the tape because the little flower, it has a little flower in its mouth. And I bet you could snap that really easily because it's just a thin little flower stem. But look at that. It's like a cute little ballet pig. This is so, so cute. These are actually like quite sizable little minifigures here, but so cute. Really does have like a realistic pig look. Let's see if I can tell you guys anything about this now that I've sliced the box completely open. Mila, I think, is this one's name. There's not a chart in there or anything. The names are just on the box. So that is very, very cute. Definitely an unboxing thing I've never seen before. Okay, up next is a character in a series that we've seen before. I think we've even unboxed these once or twice a long, long time ago. The character is adorable, but I've never seen this series before. So I think he is pronounced Smiski, and they're like these little, they almost look kind of like little ghosts or something. Maybe that's just my imagination. But they're always doing like different kinds of activities. I think we unboxed like a bathroom series before, which is pretty funny. But this one is called yoga. So it's gonna be very calming. And they all glow in the dark. So there are 6 kinds and then a secret. Oh my gosh, the secret kind looks like it's 2 Smiskis doing a yoga pose. That is so, so cute. Okay. Let's see which one we're gonna get. Yeah, I think we have one of these like sitting in our bathroom right now. That's like a little Smiski. I think he's like holding his nose or something. Or there was like one that was like 3 in 1. We got 3 characters in one little container. I don't know. Is anything I'm saying making any sense? All right, we have another bright yellow packaging. It says Smiski all over it. Let's open it up and see who's inside. Ooh, oh my gosh, he's doing the little toe touch. Now, all of the names of the specific poses are in Japanese. So maybe you guys can help me out and tell me what this yoga pose, what it's called. So he sits on his little butt here and he looks like he's like got his feet in the air. Let me set him on this book so you guys can get a feel. He is so, he's so cute, you guys. And he has a big old head. But I really, really love these guys. I think I actually have a whole case of these that I have not unboxed yet of Smiskis of some kind. I don't know what, watch them be the yoga ones. Let's see. This one actually comes with a guidebook. So, oh my gosh, look at these. They look like they're tiptoeing. You guys, this character is just so cute. Oh, okay, it does tell you the patterns of each of the yoga poses. So this is called the Smiski boat pose. I like that one too, with his feet in the air. Very, very cute. I want to see what the secret looks like now. I'll see if I can like find a picture of it online. Oh my gosh. You guys, once again, the big camera just cut off. I don't know why, but we only have one more box to unbox. So like we did in one of the most recent probably the last unboxing we did on this channel, we're just gonna finish up with the up close camera down here because I feel like that's kind of the important one anyway. And I'm sorry for the microphone being different because I know it will be slightly different, which might be annoying to some people, I know. But I am excited to open this one as well, because this is the newest Sonny Angel collection. So this is Sonny Angel Cactus. Okay, watch me get the Robbie today. So there are 4 different kinds here that they show you, and then 1 secret Sonny Angel and 1 secret Robbie, of course. But they only show you 4 different designs. And this one actually has an outer wrapper as well. I don't know why this one has an outer wrapper and those don't. But hey, almost got it here. There we go. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. We do have some little information paper here, but we have the good old white and silver Sonny Angel packaging. I feel like this is always their packaging that you get no matter what Sonny Angel collection it is. So we got a Sonny Angel. And it's like a bird. Are these called cockatoos? Why do I think they're called cockatiels? I don't know. Oh, it actually tells you. Parrot. It's just a parrot. I don't know why I'm trying to make it so fancy. Is it a cockatiel or a no, cockatoo would be some other kind of bird, I'm sure. I'm gonna stop there. I don't know anything about birds. He is so cute, you guys. Look, he's like a little green bird. He's got a little succulent. It almost looks like an aloe vera on his head, which makes the little bird, the bird fluff. I'm not sure that that's like a feathers. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. But he does have his signature wings, and it has the same plant that's on his head on his little shirt. I think that's an aloe vera. That's it, you guys. I feel like that was such a cute and exciting little package to get. We've seen new characters. We've seen characters we've never seen before. And I'm excited for it all. Oh my gosh. Look at all of these different, some of these have definitely been around for a while. Some of these Sonny Angel, like the marine, and we have all different kinds of fruits and vegetables back here. And then this is a bunch of different animal collections. I just noticed there's a frog one, so I should try and find that one. So I think that these like fruit, vegetable, and animal series are like ongoing series that they just produce over and over again. But I think these other series, like maybe this cactus one, I don't know if this one's going to be like more permanent or not. But the holiday ones, like they have birthday, Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Halloween. I think that they do different ones of those each year. And, but I think some of these other ones, they just release for a very short period of time. And then I think some of these, they just continually produce. I could be wrong though, but I feel like every time I've been to Toy Joy or something, they always seem to have, the vegetable, fruit, and animal series. And the marine ones as well, that's like sea animals. So that's pretty interesting. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed today's little unboxing video. And if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today when you subscribe. And I will see y'all again very soon. I love y'all so much. I said the intro or the outro so weird. But anyway, I love you guys. Bye.